Okay, we're going to make this little video like this. It's Sunday, September 8th, 2:02 in the afternoon. Alright, we've got the Diatone JR-711 playing on the radio. Alright, playing on the radio. Well, wait. No, it's playing the CD. It's playing this right here. So, and the volume is not working, but let me see if you can listen with these little speakers that are right here. See if you can hear it. Okay. Be very quiet. I'm going to change the channel and start a new song. Let's see here. There. New song. Let me run it forward a bit. This would be very faint. I mean, I have the camera right up next to these couple little speakers. Anyway, that works, all right? See here the meters are dancing along, right? Okay. Now I'm going to flip it over to radio, right? There's the radio. And again, the meters are dancing along, and you might hear somebody singing, who knows. Alright, and then lastly, I'm going to move this over here. We'll turn the CD thing off. Right, so, off, break, off, okay. And then we're going to hit the, yesterday I went through, oh good grief, let's do that real quick while I'm here. Come on, wake up. Won't do, it doesn't like that hand. Alright, so let's go here. Oh, come on, there we go. Bang, bang. This. And then go to, where is it? Tech. And then, no! Grief. Wait. Tech. And then JR-711. See that right there? JR-711. Attempting to whatever. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to change hands, and then so I started with this, and I went through all these pictures and all this. I'm not going to bore you with all that. Just want to get down to my here. So where was it? Did I put it in here? Yeah. So I put a video in here. The preamp not working. Okay, 5 minutes worth. All right. And then I don't know if I made another video or not. I can't remember all this stuff. Okay. Anyway, so much for that. So, long story short, I repaired this one here the other day, but I couldn't get the cassette player to work correctly, or if at all, right? But this one here does work, right? So, once again, I'm going to change it from, that's the radio. I mean, that's the line in, okay? This is the radio. And this is the cassette, alright? But it's not playing. So let's play. Voila, it's playing. Now, just so we know, it's playing. I'm going to stop the tape, like that. We're going to take the tape out, okay? Take the tape out, and we're going to reach down here on the floor. And I'm going to pick up a little Sanyo M777770K. I'm going to hit eject. Take the same tape here and throw it in. Wait. Throw it in, hit play. So this one's perfect that I rebuilt. It's perfect because it has that fine tuning knob. And this is one that perfect. May of 20, whatever, you don't care about that. I'm not here for this. I just want to let you know that that's the music I'm playing. Alright, so I'm going to go back to there, take the same tape like this, drop it in here, push that closed, right, closed, and hit play. Right. Go back to here, and you have to be really quiet to hear. Tape deck makes more noise than this thing outputs sound. Let's see here. If I can get this. Is it making any sound? Well, it's making sound over there. Wait. Yeah, it's making sound. Okay. It's so faint you can barely hear it, but it is working. Okay. Anyway, it does work. So the whole question here is, can I... Okay, now, the tape counter is off to the side on this machine over here. It's off to the side right there. Okay, so that's... But the thing is, the deck is exactly the same layout of everything. Okay? So what I'm hoping is I can take this deck out of here and put it into that machine, providing that all the happy hookup wires that this thing all attaches to, that are all plugged in, because they're both Diatone. This is the exact same deck, and this one here works great. It does that, and it does that, and it stops when you want it to, and it'll play again. And so, anyway, it's got new belts in there, and it's just, there we go. It's upside down, but I'm sure you can understand. So, I'm just hoping that all these wires that go to everything, for the, the head, whatever this wire does, I don't know, and then this other wire, whatever it does, and then the power for the, where is it? The power for the unit, and of course the motor wire, which I already saw, and this machine over here. I just can't remember all these wires. So if all these wires match up, I'm gonna take this deck out, leave the tape counter, and change just the main unit into that one, and then get that one to work, because that one does work amplifier wise and everything. It's very loud. That's what I'm trying to do. Alright, so I just want to show you this, that, and that's it. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if you're interested in getting this thing from me, that's my contact email address and so on and so forth. That's my name, James Pierce. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye.